This is the second law, which says the division law. So we have a raised to the power m over a raised to the power n. How will you do it? Very simple. Once the bases are the same, like I said in the last class, just pick one number. Pick one of the base, which is a. Now we have m. Now in division law, the powers will be subtracted. Remember the last class we did multiplication law. The powers when it was multiplication, the powers will be added. But now division law, the powers will be what? Subtracted. Take note. Now we have m minus n. That's all. More. Now we have x raised to the power 7 over x raised to the power 3. How will you do it? Very simple. Now once the bases are the same, just take 1. Now we have 7 with 7 minus 3. What is my answer? Very simple. So x raised to the power what? 7 minus 3 is what? 4. Very simple. We are done with that. Now go to number 2. And we have here, let me just share so that it will be easier for you to understand. Now, go to number 2. We have the bases are the same, not true. Now pick one number. Now we have 4 minus what? 3. Because of 3 here, just 4 minus 3 because of division. You minus the what? 3. So we have 2 raised to the power what? 4 minus 3 is what? Is 1. So just leave it. N raised to the power 1 is 3. The answer is what? 3. N raised to the power 1 is 3. The answer is 3. So we have the last one. Now, watch this last one very well. Then we have here, just pick one base, which is 4. I hope you're following. Now, we have 2 minus 6. And we have some mathematician over there. I know actually a mathematician. Now tell me, 2 minus 6, what is the answer? 2 minus 6. Now, I want to make you understand. We have 2. 2 means plus 2. Minus 6. Now, plus 2 means plus 2 means is your own. Minus means what you are owing. Now, if you have 2 and you are owing 6, when you pay what you have, what remains for you to pay is 4. So because you are still owing, the answer will be minus 4. Do you understand? So we have minus 4. So my answer is what? 4 raised to the power minus 4 is the answer. Do you understand it? Now, 3, that's number 3. Now, I want you to do number 4 and number 5 for me. If you've gotten your answer, just don't forget, put your answer. I want to just see number 4, 5 raised to the power 3 over 5 raised to the power 2. What is your answer? Number 5, 2 raised to the power 3 over 2 raised to the power 5. What is your answer? Now, thank you so much, boys. Once you got your answer, don't forget, drop that answer in the comment section. Now, we will know how to know if you actually follow. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like my video. Share this video with your family and friends. If you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe for me. Also follow my Facebook page, my Instagram and TikTok. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Please don't miss out any video, because the next class we'll keep on doing indices. I will do love indices for 3. So don't skip any video. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.